Hello, this is Amber Uper, and this is another model railroad kit review. And for this review, I have a couple of Accurail boxcars. I think these are relatively recent production. I don't know how long these have been on the market. What these are is the Milwaukee Road Ribside boxcar. And I have two of these. And the reason I have two of these is they have a different paint scheme. One of these is for the route of the Hiawathas, and the other one is for the route of the Electrified Olympian. And so let's take a look in the box. These are the same car kit, they're just painted a little different. So there's one, and there's the other. Probably hard time seeing them because of the glare, so let's do that. There we go. Now you can see the this part's pretty much the same, but this part is different. That's the road herald is different. So since both of these cars are basically the same kit, just different paint, we'll just take a look at the one. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. First thing, we'll take this out. I haven't done any more than open the covers to look inside these to see what the paint looked like. So there's your car, and I'm hoping that the camera focuses on it. Now these come, it's a one-piece body with no roof. Instead of having the floor separate, this has the separate roof. So here's one end. This is the end with the brake wheel, and the other end. And then the paint on both sides is pretty much the same. And here's the bottom. It's all done already. And your coupler pockets. You got to put the brake parts on, but that's about all there is to that, you know, as far as the bottom goes. So let's see what comes with this kit. Take that out. Okay, so here's your roof. And it just, I'm sure it just sits on the boxcar. I suppose after you get the weights in it and everything, you glue it on. I don't know if you have to glue it on, because it'll stay on by itself. But there's that. And then we have the roof walk, which goes on the roof. Or I suppose you could choose to leave it off, guessing, depending on what area you want. So here's your parts, all of your detail parts. Oh, let's see, this aerial, it's easier to see the detail parts. So, you know, the various, here's your brake gear and your brake wheel and the coupler pocket covers and ladders. And I suppose those must be the placards for the for what's in the boxcar. They'd probably go on the sides of the boxcar. So there's that. That's your sprue of parts, kit parts, and then here's the trucks. Let's take a look at these trucks. I'm not sure exactly what trucks these come with. Bettendorf or ACF or something like that. This comes with, here's screws in the box. Or in the bag. Yeah. Your wheel sets. Got 4 wheels, 2 trucks. Let's see. These are Bettendorf trucks. You might be able to see that. Yeah, maybe I can hold it up closer and still get it to stay in focus, right? So, there's the trucks. And it comes with a set of Accurail, I think these are called Accumate couplers. So that's really about all there is to this car. There's instructions, and of course there's the good old steel weight that goes inside the boxcar. I suppose you could glue that down so it doesn't rattle. So let's see. Here's your Accurail instructions. Not too much to them, but then again, don't need to have too much to them. Shows you where all the parts go. Pretty straightforward. Nothing on the back. Doesn't really give you any history of this car. But I suppose a person could look that up on the internet if they really wanted to find out what the history of the car is. These are definitely post-war boxcars, I do believe. Post-World War II. I mean, it could be from the 30s, I don't know, but I think they're post-World War II cars. So let's put that stuff back in there. Gotta grab that screw before it gets away on me. Give you 4 screws, 2 for the trucks and 2 for the couplers. So, put those in there. That way I have them all in one place. So anyway, that is the Accurail Milwaukee Road Ribside boxcar. Pretty simple kit. Nice, it's nice plastic molding. Looks really good. HO scale. I almost forgot to say that. So, there you are. Thanks for watching.